What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It is Kay here. Today I am showing you how to pack a week's worth of vacation clothes in a carry-on luggage bag that fits in the overhead bin space on an airplane. So on that note, let's get started. I am going to set you down here and my luggage is right here and then all my clothes are over here, and I am actually not using this when I go on vacation. I am sharing a luggage with someone because we're trying to save money, but I figured we would have about the same space in the luggage, like sharing, that I would have in this carry-on. So that's why I'm using this, to just make sure that I'm not overpacking and that I'll have enough space in our luggage since we are sharing. So the key to this whole packing deal is to only pack what you need, pack light, and pack things that you can make a bunch of different outfits with during the week. So I usually allow myself like 2 or 3, maybe I'll wear those kind of outfits, just because every time we all know that we are like, oh, maybe we'll need this, and then we never end up using it and we overpacked and we could have packed lighter. It's something that I'm working on as well, so we can work on it together. The first thing I am packing is one of those maybe outfits. This is just a sheer one-piece jumper, and this is really nice because it's super flowy, super comfortable, and you can like dress it up with heels or dress it down with just like sandals. And I'm bringing this just because I don't think we are going to be going out like anywhere super fancy or anything like that, but if we do decide to go out to a nice dinner or something like that, this is what I'm going to wear. So I don't have any like special folding advice. If anyone does, I would love the advice. I really just fold it as best as I can, and then this is the first thing I pack because if I do use it, it's only going to probably be worn once, and I'm just not going to need it right away, so that's why I put it in first. Then the next thing I am packing is just this sweater, and this pretty much goes with all the outfits that I'm packing, but it's supposed to be really warm when we're going, so I figure that I probably won't need this, and if I do, it might just be like on one cold night, so that's why I am packing that second, so that it's at the bottom and it's just not something I need to grab right away. Then wishful thinking, I would really love to work out while I'm there at least twice. That's my goal. But we all know that when you're on vacation and you're just having a good time, that you might not end up working out, but I am bringing just 2 pairs of Sophie shorts and a pair of running shorts, and then a couple sports bras and just some casual workout tops. Even if we just like go on a long walk or something, I wanted to have workout clothes for that, but I know that's not going to be at the top of our list of things to do while we're there, so that's why I'm packing that. Then the rest of the stuff is pretty much stuff that I will use within the first couple days. So I'm going to show you all the shirts I am packing, and what's nice about all these tops is that they go with, every single one of them goes with 2 of the bottoms I packed. So that's like 10 outfits right there. So this is just a simple cropped black top, and I like it because it's high neck and it's just simple. The next top I am packing is this pretty yellow top from Brandy Melville, and I just love this because it's light. It can be just like thrown over a bathing suit, or I could wear it like walking down the boardwalk or whatever, and it just looks really cute with a tan. And then just another black crop top, but this is a short sleeve one. And then you always have to bring a couple white crop tops on vacation. You're gonna be tan, you want to show off the tan. This is kind of a super cropped top, but what I love about this is it ties in the back, so if any of your friends want to borrow it, they can borrow it, and it just looks really cute with either high-waisted jeans or a jean skirt. And then this top is super cute. This is just another white crop top that'll look good with jeans or jean skirt. So basically, just as I have them, I'm going to put them right in the suitcase on top of the things that I don't know if I will be wearing. Then On to bottoms. So I'm packing this light wash jean skirt, and this goes with all the tops that I just showed you. So this is just one of those things that is like so necessary on a trip because you know you will get a bunch of use out of it. And then these are my absolute favorite jeans. These are from Topshop. They're the Joni jeans. They're just so flattering. They're so high-waisted, and just the material is stretchy and just, I don't know, it is like hugs you in all the right places. So I'm bringing these because I think this color is just a very summery jean color. So that goes with all those tops that I just showed you. And then I'm bringing this ribbed midi skirt. I really like this because it goes with all the black and white tops I'm bringing, and it has that little slit in the back. It's just super cute, and it's very casual, so I could just wear it like to the beach as kind of like a cover up. And then I brought that tie in the back shirt, part of a set, so it comes with this long midi skirt. And I figure one day we're probably going to do like a cute coffee date in the morning, so I figured that would be a cute skirt for that. And then I know the girls and I are probably gonna do like a couple fun casual bar nights, and this is like my favorite summer shirt. I know like it's a long sleeve, but I don't know, when it cools down at night, this is just super light and flowy, and it looks so good with jeans. So I figure that's what I'm gonna plan on wearing when we do that one night. And so that is like all of my day clothes for the week, and even that is like more than I will need, I know. Then what I'm packing next is this pair of shoes. So I'm literally just bringing these, and I actually have to pick up a pair of just plain black sandals at Walmart or like Target or probably Old Navy or something to bring. So I'm just bringing these and then the black flip-flops, and that's it, because they will literally go with all of my outfits. And these are like fake Birkenstocks from Target. Literally, they're more comfortable than Birkenstocks, and every time I wear them, people are like, I love your Birks, and I'm like, thanks, they're not Birks. But yeah, so these just go with literally everything. They're super comfortable. And then I'm going to get the black sandals because those, I don't care if I wear those to the beach, and then they also go with a bunch of my outfits. So I packed the fake Birkenstocks, Birks as my friend M called them, and next I'm going to pack the bathing suits because we all know, like, the next morning that we wake up, that's the first thing we're probably going to do is like running to the beach. So I'm just bringing 3 bathing suits. This is from Fashion Nova. I just love this color, and it's like a ribbed material. It's really cute. And then this top as well is just very cute, very flattering, very comfortable. And then I'm bringing 2 of my 437 swimwear bathing suits. This is my absolute, if you know me, this is my absolute favorite swim line. So I'm bringing my stone colored one. These are super high-waisted, very flattering, and I love this top as well. It's so cute. Their material is literally like butter on your skin. You feel like you're not even wearing anything. You could literally eat an entire pizza and then put on their swimsuit and you still feel confident at the beach, which is like my favorite thing about their swimwear. And then I am showing you the Kenzie set. This is in candy. Like this color, are you kidding? Like, it does not get any better than this. This is going to look bomb with a tan. So this is the Kenzie set. These are the bottoms. And then the top is really cool because you can wear it 6 different ways. So if I show you, like, you can wear it, like, you could put it like this and then tie it in the back, or you can like wear it like this. I'm doing the most right now. And you can like tie it in the front, but there's so many different ways to wear it. On their Instagram, they show you all the 6 different ways. And then my favorite part is it comes with a matching scrunchie. And if you know me, I'm obsessed with scrunchies, and I just think this is such a cute little touch to their swimwear. And then the last 2 things I'm going to pack is, this is just what I'm wearing or bringing to wear as a cover up. So it's just like a little tie in the front romper. So I am bringing this, and I can also wear this as just like a casual outfit as well if I want to, but I am planning on wearing it as my cover up. And then the last thing I am packing is my PJs, because I know I'm going to need those as soon as we get there. And yeah, so I'm just going to zip this up, and I pack all my toiletries like literally the morning of, so I didn't bring those out, but there is this spot right here that would leave enough space for the toiletries in the carry-on. I also typically only pack for toiletries toothbrush, toothpaste, and any makeup I need for the week. And then what I do for the rest is it's like part of me going on vacation. I don't know why I like to do this, but I don't pack shampoo or anything like that, because I just think it like takes up a lot of space, and I just don't want it to like explode in my stuff. And like, I know there's a million different ways you could pack it to make sure it doesn't, but it's just fun, I think, to like get to where you're going, and then you go to like a drugstore and you get to pick all like the travel size stuff, and then you end up getting to try like new products and stuff like that you normally wouldn't. So that is also why I like to do that, and it just saves space in your carry-on or luggage or whatever. So that is what I do for toiletries and the rest of my stuff like that. And then also I typically will wear like something similar like this, like when I'm traveling, like just sweatpants, sneakers, so that I don't have to like take up space packing like bulky stuff like that. And then that also means that I have like a warm outfit. God forbid I need like a really warm outfit like that. So we are done packing. So this is this side. There's even like still room on this side that we could, but so now just, and let's see. A week's worth of vacation clothes packed. In a carry-on. Sorry for the spinning of the camera. That's so annoying, but yeah, so here we go. It's all packed. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any traveling or packing tips, or you're going on vacation somewhere soon, leave it in the comments below. I would love to know. And I will be doing daily vlogs on my vacation, so if you want to keep up with that, definitely click the subscribe button. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!